Today we're going to be looking at an 8-bedroom house located in Jacks Hill, Kingston 6. The size of this land is approximately 10,000 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of $2.8 million US. This house consists of 8 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a living area, dining area, a movie theater, a swimming pool, a pool house, and a 2-car garage. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this house. Here we are at the front of the property. We're going to move from here and take a look on the inside. There is the living and dining area. Next is the movie theater. Unfortunately for the kitchen, there were no images provided. We're then going to move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, fourth bedroom, and this is the 5th bedroom. This house has 8 bedrooms, however only 5 out of the 8 were shown. We move right along to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is the second bathroom. This house has 7 bathrooms, however only 2 out of the 7 were shown. From here we're going to head to the garden area. We move to the back of the house where we have the swimming pool and the pool house. That will then bring us to the end of the tour. So if you are interested in this stunning property, just a reminder, it is currently on the market at a cost of $2.8 million US. I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtor and also the link for the house. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.